Hello, my name is Jamie Matthew, and I am one of the career coaches at the Eric Johnson School of Engineering and Computer Science. Today's video is going to be about LinkedIn. It is going to be split into two parts, and this is part one of the videos. So this is the general overview of what this workshop is going to entail. We are going to be discussing what is LinkedIn, creating an account, components of LinkedIn, connecting and following with others, managing your account, the challenge after this workshop, and I will provide my contact information. That way you can email me if you have any additional questions. So let's start with, what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is used for networking purposes for finding jobs and internships. I want to emphasize that this is not Facebook. It is for professional use only. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network on the internet. You can use LinkedIn to find the right job or internship, connect and strengthen professional relationships, and learn the skills you need to succeed in your career. LinkedIn is going to help you network throughout your academic and professional career. So next, we're going to discuss how to create a LinkedIn account. This is the main page of LinkedIn, and you will click on Join Now if you do not already have an account. Once you have clicked on Join Now, this screen will show. It is important to create an email address for LinkedIn, just like you would make an email address for your resume document. So when you're searching for jobs and internships, please do not use your UTD email address as they do expire. So you can use, for example, Gmail or Yahoo. Once you agree and join, you will follow the instructions to set up your LinkedIn account. After completing all these steps, you will land on the LinkedIn homepage of your account. And this is what it looks like. On your homepage, you will see on the left your name, how many people have viewed your profile, and your connections. On the top part, you will see the search tab. You will also see the home button, as well as the network, jobs, messaging, and notification tabs. You'll see there is a 1 under the notification tab. That is notifying you that there is a message or a notification on your LinkedIn page. The LinkedIn news is on your right, as you can see. You will see that that will show you the up-to-date news, but you can also see this is set up just like how a Facebook page would look like, right? It has all the information, but this is for professional use only. This is what the homepage of LinkedIn is used for. You will see at the top right of the corner, try premium for free. You do not need to click on that, as the premium does cost, has a cost attached with it. So there is the free membership and then the premium membership. So please avoid clicking on the premium membership. So let's talk about the components on LinkedIn. We have the About section, the Experience section, Education section, Honors and Awards, Recommendations section, and the Skills section. And these are just some of the components that we'll be discussing today. For the Skills section, I do want to emphasize you can include both the interpersonal and technical skills in your LinkedIn. So let's go ahead and talk about the About section. You'll see here, I have put together, based off of my resume and my experience, a summary of my academic and professional career. Again, that is what your About section is. It is a summary of your academic and professional career. You want to make sure that it is in depth, clear, and concise. The next section is the Experience section. This is where you want to list your job and your internship experiences. Make sure these sections are as detailed as possible, similar to your resume document. You have made that document very detail oriented. You want to do the same here as well. The next section is the education section. This is where you want to list your degrees here in this section. And you want to make sure that it is listed in chronological order. And you want to make sure, depending on how you write it, if you format it with abbreviations, make sure all degrees match that. The next section is your skill section. And as I mentioned before, you can list your interpersonal and your technical skills here. What's nice about this too is you can endorse skill sets on LinkedIn, which helps boost your LinkedIn profile. The next section is recommendations section. This is a great place for you to ask professors, mentors, bosses, your previous supervisors for a recommendation. This is where it would sit, and this would allow employers and recruiters to see recommendations throughout your academic and professional career. It's important to have this on your LinkedIn, and it is important to remember to only ask those who can speak on your behalf and know you well. The next section you could add on your LinkedIn account is honors and awards. You want to add information to the section if you have received anything throughout your academic and professional career. I want to start talking about how to start following on LinkedIn. So you want to make sure that you are following the various companies that you are interested in. The more companies that you follow, the more job opportunities will show up on your LinkedIn page based on your LinkedIn profile. So you want to start following companies such as Google or Apple, or Tesla or Walmart. You want to start following the University of Texas at Dallas. You want to follow ECS Career Services. So you want to start following these companies. So here's what it would look like as an example. It would show up on your LinkedIn as this. You can see it. This is based off of my profile. It shows there is 9 companies on here, but you can see I have followed my graduate school, but it will show you this on your LinkedIn page. So how to connect with others? You want to connect with your professors, your classmates, your colleagues, your friends, your family. You never know who you are going to meet on LinkedIn or who they may know. So your friends and your classmates may have no recruiters or no people in this field that can help you, or in the field that you are wanting to pursue. There may be a connection on your LinkedIn page that could help another classmate or help you. So you never know who you are going to connect with. So managing your account. How to apply for jobs on LinkedIn. You're going to use the jobs tab to help search for internships and jobs. And in the second part of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to utilize this tab. So I want to show you an example is if you were searching in LinkedIn, I've typed in engineering. You will see that I have clicked internship under the tabs there, and you can see here there's the jobs tab, there's a past weeks tab, so you can filter this section based off of your preferences. You can see there's an on-site or there is a remote option, but based off of what I've searched, this was what was populated. You will see on the left, there is a connection based off of my LinkedIn profile that works here. You would have seen this was posted 3 days ago based off of when I searched for this specific job. There was over 200 applicants, and you can see the salary range is listed on here, and it gives you more in-depth detail as you scroll down. Here's another example if you were searching for jobs. I clicked on the human resources generalist position, and again, you can see there was 3 applicants that have applied. It shows you the level. It is mid-senior level, and it has how many people working there. And then you could see it does have the easy apply option. So the other option was just to apply through the website. The easy apply is through your LinkedIn page. So then we have the digital part of your resume. You can add links to your LinkedIn account. So you could add your websites, or you could add specific web links onto your LinkedIn profile that you have created. There are several steps to complete when adding links or media to your LinkedIn profile. So the first step is you would click Add Profile section or Add to Profile. Then you would click on Recommended. And once you've clicked on Recommended, you would go to Add Project. Then you would write the project name, you would write the description, and then you'd click Save. To add the media portion, you would click Project and you would scroll down and click on Add Media. This would allow you to add your website link onto this specific part of the LinkedIn page. I want to emphasize that this is all very important to make sure that you are keeping all of your LinkedIn all your information on LinkedIn up to date. You want to make sure that you are keeping your grammar in the present tense, and that means if you have a job or an experience that you have done in the past, make sure that is in the past tense. If you are in a current role, then you want to make sure you are in the present tense. We have completed the first part of the video. The second part of the video is going to be where I'm going to walk you through logging into LinkedIn and showing you how LinkedIn looks like and how the resume is formatted through LinkedIn. It is also very important to remember to keep your profile up to date, like I mentioned before, and making sure that your grammar is checked. That is very important, as this is your digital presence to employers and recruiters. In the second video, you will also learn about the challenge that I am going to give you after watching the LinkedIn videos. Thank you.